या किधर जाना है, किधर जाना है? आज रे चला गया वो। हाँ चला गया। अच्छा अभी गोदी में चढ़ना तेरे को? हाँ कहाँ चढ़ना गोदी में? कहाँ चढ़ना गोदी में? डरा देता ना उसका बाइक का एग्जॉस्ट। मेरा वाला भी थोड़ा सा डराएगा तो भी साइड हो जाना, ठीक है? गुड बॉय गुड बॉय। कुछ नहीं, मैं बस पार्ले जी भी नहीं, वरना मैं खिलाता। बाय। थोड़ा सा डरावना है, थोड़ा सा। I know the bridge looks good, but my attention is on that cutie pie who's actually on the bridge. So long, cutie pie. See you soon, hopefully.
I've been caught, but I'm keeping on, keeping on.
I just wanted to capture the sound of the bridge and the water flowing beneath it. I don't know how far we are from Pangong Lake, but I do know that we are heading towards an area called Shyok. I thought Shyok was the river, but apparently it's a village also. Shyok, 19 kilometers.
If you can't love me,
I'm not getting wet for all of this, so I'm gonna go slow and steady. That was a mistake. Slow and steady doesn't help here. Low battery. Okay, I can fix that. I'm approximately 30 kilometers from Durbuk. We're trying to reach Pangong Lake before the sunset. Time right now is 4:20.
keeping on track.
Okay, don't fall.
Take it all. Safe in the eyes.
This looks deep. Oh, it is deep.
Safe in the eyes.
Okay.
Safe in the eyes.
Okay. This turned out to be deeper than I thought. My shoes are wet.
In the eyes of the
Just had snacks and tea at Shyok Bikers Cafe. Pangong, let's go. There's Tamina sitting in the back with my other GoPro. I'm hoping she can get some good shots of all of us. I know I should be laughing. Poor girl. It's her birthday tomorrow, and she wanted to do some epic shit on the bike on her birthday, and now she can't have that. We're reaching Durbuk in about 8 kilometers. 40 kilometers this side. I think we're missing the sunset. We just crossed Durbuk. Sunlight's fading and it's getting to be cold as ice. फाबरोंग अभी क्रॉस कर रहे थे, बारिश हुई थी बीच में, रेन लेयर पहना हुआ था, हाथ जम चुके हैं, और अभी क्लाउड्स हट रहे हैं तो सनलाइट अभी भी दिख रहा है. टाइम इज 6:31. I think we'll catch the sun. I can't wait to get out of this cloud cover because it's freezing here. Pangong is how far? 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers. I think we will not miss the sunset. Okay. 8 kilometers. If these are the roads for the next 8 kilometers, I think we'll be fine. We can do it. 8 kilometers in like around 15 minutes can be done on these bikes. Yeah. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. Oh, it's still pretty far. It felt like it was just around the corner. Oh no. Yo, the Pangong. Oh, I can see it. I think everything that we've been throughout the day will be washed away when we get to see the lake. It's that basin over there which you can't see. That's such a wrong turn. Just before sunset, and already it is 14,000. Pangong Lake. Wow. And it's cold wind, like icy cold wind. You know how you open your freezer and stand in front of it or put your hand in it for a minute and it starts freezing, it gets uncomfortable? Dial it up to 10. My hands are frozen numb. It's getting colder and colder by every feet we are dropping closer to the lake. I hope there's a bonfire in the evening because I'm freezing. Even though I had hopes that we were reaching today while there's still daylight, the team that took us here doesn't know the exact location of where we're supposed to be staying. We went quite far ahead, wasted 10-15 minutes just trying to figure out where exactly the location is. I'm surprised why this information wasn't like fed into maps like, you know, an hour before they were reaching here. It's 7:51 PM now. I've been riding for 287 kilometers and again it's nightfall. I am so glad I separated from the group and stopped to click pictures of the sunset, because now I don't know what the plan will be for tomorrow. None of us know so far whether we are moving towards Hanle tomorrow or not. I don't have range, so I can't tell you what the temperature is, but it's definitely in the negative. Like the cold is percolated through your bones. You can feel it inside your bones. That's Pangong Lake at 12:48. When we went down in the morning, it was icy cold, windy, and it was raining. Once we came back up, we realized we have to leave right now for Leh. We're not doing Hanle because of weather conditions, and then now we have no other option but to go to Leh. There'll be a different plan maybe for Amritsar. We'll find out when we get to Leh. So Leh is not that far. So if all goes to plan, we should be reaching before nightfall. Altitude here is 14,128 feet. Highest I think I was at was 18,000 feet, and that will be the record for this trip. No Hanle, no Mingla. I think we'll only come across Zojila when we take the route back from Srinagar.